Wow, the pig very. Wow, the pig got mustache on it. Oh, he's trying to. 1, 2, 3.
Dạ, khá suy chị ạ.
Kim đây.
Đâu computer dah.
Đúng là. But the task must be even ah.
Ê, có nhiều.
Yeah. Tut, tut, tut. Tut, 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 tut.
Oh, that one is red tail cockatoo, huh?
Please remain seated and be as quiet as possible. Wow, should none of you heard this noise? Making that.
I heard of this before, alright.
Even our were able to do that. Now Susie here has been with us for almost 20 members of the Makai family.
In zoo parks like this, animals tend to live a lot longer than they usually remark for even sweep aside chips and dry leaves in search of worms and just like this. Read!
Wow, and green! There you go.
Fantastic flight now.
King vultures. They are stomach as another animal in the animal kingdom.
Beautiful flight. The king vulture is among the world's largest scavenger and they have powerful hook. Now other vultures will make way for the king so that they can get in fact, they are the most aggressive.
These birds are the meat hunters is found. They will be nearby.
Mate and have tricks and they produce big feet with sharp talons and
Let's welcome our memorable stars from Africa. And then one more round, take a light break and search for the next day.
Arian, you would all be in a lot of trouble without Paul.